What's up, you guys? It's your girl Magali, and I'm back with another video. For today's video is gonna be a little different. I'm doing a little chocolate review video, and I'm so juiced because AC Food Crafting sent me this chocolate and I want to review it. So let's get into it. So can we just talk about how I've never even heard of a pina colada chocolate? Is that not like mind-blowing? Because what? But I was so juiced when I opened up the box and seen this flavor because I kind of do like pina coladas, but it's not something that I gravitate towards. But I'm so excited to try this flavor. And not only did I try these flavors, you guys, I also had my best friend's family try them to make sure that I had a second opinion on this video. So yeah. So you guys, all of this chocolate was so easy to melt. I believe I only did about 1.5 minutes with 30-second intervals. So that was super quick to melt. And let's talk about that drizzle. Period poo. That was cute as fuck. But yeah, this chocolate is super smooth. And I love that it's not thick. Usually when I get colored chocolate, it's thick as fuck. But I was like, maybe because it's flavored, it kind of thins it out. I'm not sure what they use, but I absolutely love that it's not thick how some other brands do it, and I'm not a fan of that. So this was a 10 out of 10. All right, hold up. You know what? I'm not even done with my review, so I'm not going to give it a 10 out of 10 yet. But so far, so good. So this was also another flavor that I was like, wait. Orange creamsicle. I've only ever heard that in ice cream. Like, what? I've never heard this. So I was actually like really excited to try this, which is weird because I'm also not a fan of flavors like this. But I mean, come on, when have you ever heard of that? Oh my gosh, this flavor right here was so freaking bomb. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, this flavor was good. I liked it, but I did have an issue with this one because I'm not sure if I did something wrong on my part, but the way that it dried, it's kind of like really weird. You guys will see in a minute. But look how smooth this all like comes out. Like, look at that. I ended up dipping it. I think I dipped these twice, but they're just so pretty. Like, look at that, you guys. Don't play with her. OMG. I know I keep sounding so juiced for every flavor, but this one was so good also. This is the one that I was most excited about as soon as I opened the box. Because come on now, who the fuck doesn't love s'mores? Cause your girl do. So when this is melted, it does kind of look like chocolate chips instead of s'mores. So when I add this into my menu, when I start adding it into my variety boxes and all of that, I'm probably gonna be topping it off with like graham crackers or something just to give it more of a s'mores look. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. And just to make this box extra delicious looking and all that good stuff, I ended up adding some marshmallows just to tie in the whole like, I don't know, bombness or whatever. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and give each flavor like a rating from 1 to 10, you know, and then I think I'll do an overall for the brand. So let's start off with the orange creamsicle, and I'm gonna give that one an 8.5, but only because it's not something I personally am a fan of. I'm like really basic when it comes down to sweets. I love milk chocolate, anything basically. So yeah, that's just a personal preference. It was really good. My best friend also really liked it. And then the s'mores one, oh my god, that one was so bomb. Just the smell of the freaking chocolate was enough for me. So I'm gonna give that one a 9.5. Like, it was so freaking good. The chocolate was super smooth. I loved it. And then pina colada, I'm gonna also go ahead and give it a 8.5. Same reason as the creamsicle. I just don't gravitate towards stuff like that. So yeah. And for the chocolate raspberry, you guys, this one was a little hard for me because I really liked how it tasted, and then like the little hint of raspberry and stuff, like it was really good. But I absolutely am not a fan of how it dried. I don't know if it was something that I did on my part or what, but I mean, like, I did it how I usually do my chocolate, so I don't really know what happened. But the drying, it just really knocks down a couple points for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and give that one an 8. I don't want to be too harsh because the chocolate is really good. But I guess if you find like maybe a topping and you can hide that the way it dried, it'll like, you know, it'll be fine. It's still bomb as fuck. And yeah. I do want to mention that this video is not sponsored. This is a review from me. Everything is 110% honest as fuck. And yeah, so let me know if you guys want me to do a review on their other flavors. I do still have a couple flavors that I have not tried yet. And if you guys like this type of videos, please let me know down below. And also, let me know if you guys tried this chocolate before. All right, bye.